Today I want to show you a tools I'm using to recording this screen and showing up my face at the same time, and also record my voice. So first thing first, here I'm using my MacBook, okay, and in the MacBook OS they support tools very useful. Its name is QuickTime Player. So with QuickTime Player, when you click here, from this screen, because I'm recording by QuickTime Player, so you're not able to see on the top the laptop. There is some toolbar. Its name is Fry. When I click there, they will showing you like, for example, new screen recording. So here you can record your screen, and you also have option to change where you want to save the file, where you wish you can include your audio as well with a microphone. Here's what I'm using, and yeah, it's quite useful. And you also can open the new movie recording. So I have a small window like this, and yeah, when and then you can compile new movie recording and new screen recording. Then you will make the video like this, and you can open another window, for example, Google Chrome. Yeah, so I can record my screen, I can do my stuff. Like for example, if I read the news, President Trump thanks Vietnam for expecting transport of 450,000 protective suits to the US. Yeah, so that's it. This is the tip for the day. Thank you for watching.